Welcome back to Maya Explains Everything. This is the Maya and Alex podcast.
Hey everyone, I am Alex and this is Maya.
Hi, everybody. Great to have you here again.
Last time we went to the restaurant. Today we continue our trip.
Yes, today we talk about hotels.
You arrive in a new city, you're tired. You need a place to sleep.
The hotel. But checking in, asking questions, solving problems. All in English.
Do not worry. Today we make it easy for you.
Simple words, real phrases, everything you need for your hotel stay.
Ready? Let us start.
First, some important words. Alex, where do we begin?
At the reception. The reception is the front desk of the hotel.
The person who works there is the receptionist.
The receptionist helps you, gives you your key, answers your questions.
Next word, check-in. When you arrive and get your room,
And check out when you leave and pay.
check in when you arrive. Check out when you leave. Easy.
Another important word, luggage.
Luggage means your bags and suitcases, all your things.
My luggage is always too heavy. Too many shoes.
Ha. Okay, let us walk through it. You arrive at the hotel.
You go to the reception. You say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Remember that word from last episode? Reservation.
The receptionist asks, "What name is it under?"
You say it is under Maya, or your name, of course.
Then they ask for your passport or ID.
You say, here you are, and you give it to them.
Here you are, small phrase. You use it when you give something to someone.
The receptionist gives you the key, or a key card.
A key card is like a small plastic card. You tap it on the door.
They tell you, your room is number 205. On the second floor.
The floor. Ground floor, first floor, second floor.
You take the elevator. Or the stairs if you are sporty like Alex.
Always the stairs. Okay, sometimes the elevator.
Now some useful questions. What can you ask at the reception?
Question 1. What time is breakfast?
Very important question. Breakfast is the morning meal.
They answer, breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the restaurant.
Question 2. What is the Wi-Fi password?
The most important question of all. We all need Wi-Fi.
They say, the password is on your key card. Or they write it down.
Question 3. What time is checkout?
Usually they say, checkout is at 11 or 12.
Question 4. Can I leave my luggage here?
Very useful. Maybe your flight is at night, but checkout is at 11.
The hotel can keep your bags. You say, can I leave my luggage here?
And they say, of course, we keep it at the reception.
Now, sometimes there is a problem in your room.
Oh no. What kind of problem, Alex?
Maybe the shower does not work, or the room is too cold.
Or the Wi-Fi does not work. Disaster.
Then you call the reception, or you go downstairs.
You say, excuse me, there is a problem with my room.
Remember? Excuse me. The polite way to start.
Excuse me, the shower does not work.
Excuse me, my room is very cold.
Excuse me, the Wi-Fi does not work in my room.
And they say, sorry about that. We will fix it.
Or they give you a new room. That happens too.
One more useful phrase. Can I have extra towels, please?
A towel. The thing you use after the shower to get dry.
Can I have extra towels? Can I have an extra pillow? Can I have an extra blanket?
Can I have plus the thing you need? That is the magic formula.
Okay, time to practice. A little dialogue. I am the receptionist.
And I am the guest. A guest is a person who stays at the hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, I have a reservation. It is under Maya.
Let me check. Yes. 1 room for 3 nights. Can I see your passport?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. Here's your key card. Room 312 on the third floor.
Thank you. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the restaurant next to the reception.
Perfect. And what is the Wi Fi password?
It is on your key card. Just connect to Grand Hotel Guest.
Great. Oh, one more thing. Can I have an extra pillow?
Of course, we will bring it to your room.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your stay.
And scene. Did you hear that? You can do this too.
Just small phrases, step by step. That is all you need.
Let us repeat the most important words from today.
Reception, the front desk of the hotel.
Check in. When you arrive, check out. When you leave,
Luggage, your bags and suitcases.
key card. The card that opens your door.
A guest, the person who stays at the hotel.
Here you are. What you say when you give something.
And can I have the magic formula for asking things?
And now, it is time for our word of the day.
The word of the day is check-in.
Check in. When you arrive at the hotel and get your room.
What time is check-in? Check-in is at 3.
You also check in at the airport. Same word.
Online check-in, early check-in, late check-in.
Check in. Say it with us. Check in.
Perfect. You're getting better every single episode.
Okay, everyone. That is the end of episode 9.
Today we talked about hotels, checking in, asking questions, solving problems.
And our word of the day was check in.
Now it is your turn. Write in the comments. What country do you want to visit?
Write it in English. We read everything.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.